Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to review this box, the hydration kit from Biossance that I got almost 2 weeks back, and I think I'm already in love with the products, and now I'm just going to get to those points that really made me fall in love with this product. To start with, it has got two products, rose oil and omega repair cream, and the star ingredient is squalene, and that is something you will find in Biossance whole line because that's their star ingredient. And I'm in love with that star, seriously. Earlier, I used to feel this love for roses and rosy ingredients. Everything with rose oil and rose water, I just love everything. My skin loves it. And that's the main part, that your skin has to love it, right? My skin type is normal. Still, I always prefer to go for a patch test. Actually, prefer wouldn't be the right word. I go for a patch test so that I know what is going on. Is my skin okay with the product? So I recommend that. Whenever you are trying something, please go for a patch test and let your skin get a feel of it. The first thing, I never knew that squalene is so important, and now I know. We have got squalene in our skin, but when we give the squalene shower from outside, our skin usually loves it because it's quite familiar. And so it is like, yeah, I know you, I'm quite familiar with you, and now it's a good feeling to know you even more. So I gave a nice amount of this cream to my skin almost every single day, and sometimes I used it in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon, sometimes in the evening, sometimes in the night time. But I did it in different days to check how it feels. In the morning hours before going to a walk, of course, I used it under my sunscreen. In the evening, I used it with rose oil. Nighttime, I always used it with rose oil, and I try to mix the product with other creams and serums as well. So it's very important for me to kind of mix and match, because I'm not going to always use these products together. I should be able to use something else as well. And happily, I can say that it did not irritate my skin. It was so comfortable on the skin. And every time I used it, it just gave me that plumped up skin. So I'm using it very happily and very content with the box, because I know it's a small one. So you get 15 ml here and 12 ml here, but as far as the products go, it just takes a tiny amount of it and it spreads very beautifully. It just takes 1 or 2 drops. Also, you have to check the amount, because whatever it says on the box, I follow it. If it says that you have to take a pea size amount, I take that much. And then if I feel that, yeah, it's not enough, I go for a little bit more. So I stick to the recommendations and instructions. I feel very comfortable that way. And then how my skin respond to the product, that's very important to me. Actually, that's the most important element to me. If the product is not for me, I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't use it. And I wouldn't even feel like talking about it with enthusiasm, because it just does not make me happy. So about this product, let me just say the key things about this product, that you would find that it is a rich cream, lightweight, and it absorbs quickly. It just has got the right amount of consistency, moisturization that will create a beautiful barrier of moisturization, and it will keep the healthy elements of your skin intact, right in place, and you wouldn't have to worry about that my skin is losing hydration or my skin is not well moisturized. It will make you feel luxurious, and it will make your skin feel glowy, naturally beautiful, the best it can be. You could achieve that skin with this product. So I just love it that much. And now I am searching for squalene in every skincare product that I want to try. And if it doesn't have that product, I just switched to Biosans again because I am very, very connected with the brand. I feel connected with the brand because it is plant-based. And I think because it's derived from sugarcane, it's very lightweight on the skin. So something which is lightweight is beautiful during spring, during summer, but the right amount of consistency and richness in this moisturizer makes it even useful in fall and winter. Because where I live, it's almost summer, but sometimes I get cold days and I'm using it then. I'm using it on those days when I feel humidity. And I am lucky enough to get those days that I'm feeling a little bit hot and humid because I just love that, the sunny feel and actually feeling the summer. So I've tested it in different, weather conditions as well. So every time I put this on, if it is hot and humid, it doesn't make me sweaty. And if it is cold and I feel that my skin is a little bit on the drier side, it doesn't go very much on the drier side for me. But if it is a little bit dry, it just gets me covered. So I'm very happy with it. And I want to check almost all the products from the brand. And luckily, I've got 3 more kits in the brand. And I love it when brands do that. Because that is a way for me to test out all the products, and maybe then I want to commit to something that I just feel that, yeah, that's the thing that I would always want in my skincare shelf. And this is that product. There is no other variation of rose oil in the brand except for there is a rose lip balm which I want to try, and it is part of another kit, and I think I'm going to go for this. And there is another kit which has almost 3 more products plus these 2. So I think if I go for these 3 kits, I'll be covered for the whole year. But you never know. There are a couple of full-size products which I'm very much interested in. Like I placed an order for the cleanser, which has got squalane and elderberry, and I'm surrounded by elderberries here. And now I'm getting it in a tube. So I'm very excited to try that product. And I wish I could get it today, but I think I'll get it tomorrow or maybe day after, and then I will post a video, a haul on that. And after using it, I'm very much excited. I'm hoping that it will help the way it says. And the main thing for me when it comes to cleanser, it has to make my skin feel squeaky clean without taking away the moisture and the healthy glow I naturally have. So I think I am so much into these 2 now. I can't wait to get that one, but I can't stop using these. Every time after cleansing my skin, I want to put these on, but I'm limiting myself because I've got other products as well which I'm testing and trying, and you will get to know soon about those products as well. And that's how I'm going to end this video. Please check out the products from Biosans and see for yourself what is the most interesting for you. And if you have already tried it, please let me know in the comment section so that I know which one to try next, because I've got a couple of them on my wish list already and I want to try almost everything from the brand. So on that note, this is Soma saying bye to you. I hope that you have a very happy summer and you take care of your skin and give your skin that love which is always required by the skin. Thank you so much for watching, sharing this video with your friends and family, because that's the best compliment to my channel. And of course, I love to hear from you. Write down your thoughts on skincare, what works, what doesn't work for you. And I would ask you to press the bell button. Yeah, it's quite simple. And that will simply tell you when I post my next video. So, see you. I could talk forever about these 2, but I'm gonna stop. Yeah, bye.